Hello, this is for online module reflection week 4. Please ignore any weird sound. My baby is in the background. I'm gonna go ahead and get started. First, the module emphasized the power of contextualizing instruction through meaningful stories. Embedding academic and functional skills within a story helps students make real world connections, stay engaged, and see the purpose behind what they are learning. For example, instead of teaching a routine like hand washing as a list of steps, placing it within the story about preparing for lunch gives context and meaning to each action. Second, I learned about the importance of using visual and multisensory supports during story-based lessons. Many of the students are nonverbal and rely on AAC devices or gestures to communicate. The module showed how using visuals, roleplay, and consistent story cues helps students comprehend and participate more actively. This approach supports both understanding and communication, especially for students who need repeated exposure to content in multiple formats. Third, the module highlighted scaffolding and generalization as key components of effective story-based instruction. Stories create predictable routines where students can practice skills repeatedly and gradually become more independent. Over time, they move from observing the story to participating in it, and eventually to initiating parts on their own. This kind of structure helps track and celebrate progress that might otherwise go unnoticed. In my classroom, I work with students in grades K through 3 who are nonverbal AAC users with moderate to profound cognitive needs. I recently used a story-based approach for teaching snack preparation. The story described washing hands, putting on aprons, and setting the snack table. Each part of the story was paired with visual AAC symbols and opportunities to act out the steps. One of my students who used to need full support during hand washing now independently selects a wash symbol on his device and begins the routine. Embedding the task within the story made it more meaningful, and repetition increased his engagement and confidence. Overall, this module reinforces story-based lessons are more than just enjoyable activities. They are powerful, structured ways to build communication, social engagement, and functional independence. I plan to keep integrating story routines into my literacy and daily living instruction to help my students connect learning with their everyday experiences. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.